Hey guys, so me and my dad and my sister just got back, or no, not just got back. Last night we went to we went to this like cat cafe. It was super nice, by the way, and so we were just exploring around the neighborhood. And then we found this place called Exotic Snacks, and we got a bunch of snacks there. So, I want to try some. So first, I got this gummy watermelon. So, I'm just going to pop that open. Alright, guys. That's actually pretty good. You know, it kind of tastes like, well, first of all, it's kind of sour, honestly. Kind of tastes like a watermelon, Sour Patch Kids. It's pretty good, though. I like it. Alright, now I got this Cowtail. So, this is a Cowtail. Oh, so this is honey bun flavor. That tastes like a honey bun. It's actually really good. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's really good. It tastes like a honey bun. Alright. Dad, do you want a bite? You're welcome. Okay. So I got then a mystery Kit Kat. Let's just hope this isn't like jalapeno or something. Get some. Ooh. This kind of looks like what is it? Ghost Toast. So I don't know if I like it or not. It's a bold flavor and it has like just a tiny bit of cinnamon.
Kind of smells cinnamon.
Yeah. You can have that piece, by the way.
No.
Yeah, I don't know if I like it or not.
My hair's a mess.
Do you want to bite that Cowtail? Anyways, yeah. So that was my review on these new snacks.
It might be like the Ghost Toast.
Is it the Ghost Toast?
I don't know.
I don't know. I forgot what the Ghost Toast tastes like. That was so long ago. Yeah. All right. See ya.